I love this pumpkin spice protein shake. It is so good. All right, you got to start with a frozen banana. That makes it creamy. Add any type of dairy-free milk you like. I love Califia Farms. I do use almond milk as well. You want canned pumpkin. That's crucial, of course. 1/4 of a cup. You do not have to have a dairy-free yogurt. I just like to add it for that creamy texture. Out of all the protein powders I've ever used, Faster Whey protein is the best. It's a beef protein. It's so good. Almond butter adds, again, creamy texture. If you don't want to use that, you could use a little bit of avocado. Definitely need the pumpkin pie spice. Oh my gosh, so good. And then you're going to add your ice and just zip it up, whether it be in a blender or a Ninja. Get that going. And then the moment of truth. I love this because it's creamy and it just tastes like pumpkin pie.